Ready to turn your PC into a gaming beast? Don't play another game without you see these tips. Let's dive into an ultimate gaming optimization guide for GenZ. First thing first, update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can slow you down. Open your browser and go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer, Nvidia, AMD or Intel. Download the latest driver for your graphics card model. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to update your driver. Restart your PC to apply changes. Next up, tweak your in-game settings for better performance without sacrificing too much visual quality. Open your game and go to the settings menu. Adjust the resolution to match your monitor's native resolution. Set the graphics quality to low, medium or high depending on your PC's specification. Turn off VSync to reduce input lag. Lower shadows and textures if you are experiencing lag. Let's optimize Windows itself to give you a smoother gaming experience. Open settings using Windows plus I shortcut. Go to the settings, then click on display, graphics. Select change default graphics settings to prioritize performance over energy savings. Here, enable all options. Did you know Windows has a built-in game mode? Let's turn it on. Open settings using Windows plus I shortcut, go to gaming and click on game mode. Turn on game mode to optimize your PC for gaming. Running low on storage? Clean up your disk to keep things running smoothly. Click on the start menu and search for a disk cleanup in the start menu. Open it. Select the drive you want to clean. Check the boxes for temporary files, system cache and other unnecessary files. Click OK and then delete files to free up space. Finally, keep an eye on your PC's performance with these tools. Download MSI Afterburner or ROG Armory Crate for monitoring and overclocking. Install and open the software. Monitor your GPU, CPU and RAM usage while gaming. Adjust fan speed and overclock if you are comfortable. Be cautious. And there you have it. These tips will turn your PC into a gaming powerhouse. Try them out and let us know in the comments how they work for you.